Now I want to talk about one very interesting function called offset. Uh, Basically used for when you reference. I want to do some calculation. I want to move my reference up and down, and usually plus and minus doesn't work. You have to use the function offset to things like if you have a cell A1, if you move say 2 row 3 column, then uh, you have to say offset A1 to 3. Then you A1 plus 2 become 3, and column move A, move B column, we move column D, and uh, sometimes you can expand by height, so become one cell, a multiple cell, or you can width and become a much bigger uh, range. So now let's give example to calculate K-day momentum. So let's see the Excel spreadsheet. So here, let me bigger. So we have date and price and momentum. So let's get out and do it again. So what you do, let's erase everything. So momentum, I want to do 2-day momentum, say case 2 now. So what you're going to do by standard will be this minus 2 days ago, right? And then you carry, copy and paste everything down, then we're done, right? The problem is when I want the K to, I want the momentum of K can change not just 2 and 3 when I just change number K, okay? So the thing you want to do is to do offset. So what you do is say offset, okay? And this price, and you go back by 2, so that's why it's minus 2, okay? 0, and go back by 2, so it's 40 minus 7, 7, so that's right. So now I don't want the minus 2, I want to change it to minus B1, okay? I want it to be an absolute address. So this is the formula when you do calculate K-day momentum, just price of today minus this and go back, right? So you want to copy all the way up. But when you copy this, when you change to bigger number, say 7, then there's a problem because you see here, go back by 7, actually doesn't exist. So that's why there's a problem. So what you're going to do is use an if function. We want to calculate this only when K more than K days, right? Because you need K day to go back by K. So that means I want to change it to say if counting from B3, okay, up to B3, and the first briefing will be the top remain unchanged. The second briefing will be changing according where you go. If we want this is bigger than B1, bigger than K, then we do this. Otherwise, set it to nothing, just double quotation. Then if you run this, copy this. Sorry, the B1 have to be absolute value, otherwise it's a problem. So you run this, then you will see, okay, the first 7 day, okay, it's not bigger than 7, right? So bigger 7 days is not bigger than 7, so you cannot calculate. And when you more than 7, then you start to calculate this. And of course, you don't want to use B1, right? So to make it look nicer, you want to this formula, define name, right? And then this, you can replace it by K, formula, replace it by K, and replace it by K. Okay. And then you can see the formula looks more simplified, right? So this is how you can use the offset. There are many uses, but this is one good example to show you how you can work with momentum. Thank you very much.